Davis and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
And let's take a look at that forecast this evening. A few flurries around at 7 o'clock, 13 degrees, down to 12 by the time we get to 9 o'clock, and 11 at 11 p.m. as we see some breaks in the clouds develop later on this evening. 9 degrees at 8 o'clock in the morning. Single-digit lows overnight, most areas between about 5 and 10, and then 17 degrees at noon, 22 at 5 p.m. A slight chance tomorrow of a couple of those flurries redeveloping. And the flurries will be ending this evening. Very cold temperatures overnight, and then bitter cold numbers out there with those wind chill readings getting down below zero. As a matter of fact, let's take a look at some of the current values. 3 below zero for us, 1 below at Lima, and 0 degrees over in Columbus, 2 at Indianapolis. So right around zero now for those wind chill numbers across the Miami Valley. And oops, my finger was a little too heavy there. Let's try that again. We'll keep moving along here, get back to where we were, and check out the highs barely cracking the 20-degree mark there on Friday, as we are going to be looking at that frigid air that's going to be staying in place. Now here's your cold air mass over us now for Thursday, Friday as well, and then we see a little bit of a retreat of the cold air early next week, but some very frigid conditions coming down on Saturday. Some of the coldest air over the next 5 days across the Great Lakes and the Ohio Valley and up into the northeast part of the country, and then we'll see that pattern relax a little bit Sunday and into Monday, but as the warmer air starts to come back, an increased chance of seeing some snow on Monday too. The SVG Chevrolet camera tonight up in Greenville. Well, one nice thing, we're seeing some daylight still as we are looking at a sunset this evening. It just happened at 6:08, and not a lot of snow on the ground up in Darke County. Certainly not compared to down south. You can see the Stall Vision camera in Beaver Creek, a lot more snow there. Oops, looks like somebody might have had a little spin out unless somebody's doing some work. And so there still could be some patches of black ice out there tonight. Some breaks in the clouds out there on the western horizon. Live Doppler 2 HD, not much happening right now in downtown Dayton, but there are some snow showers off to the west, out into the western sections of Montgomery County, also out into Greene County. The snow showers heading eastward there, and that snow continuing to track eastward across our area tonight, but winding down not much to the west out through central Indiana. Another batch of snow sliding southwest of us heading southeast will avoid us. We're 9 degrees colder than we were at this time yesterday, with those temperatures in the teens. Right now in Dayton, 15 degrees, Springfield at 14, 14 in Springboro, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base at 15. Our weather checkers tonight mostly in the mid-teens, although Barbara Richards there, one of the colder numbers at 14 degrees tonight. Still could be some drifting snow with that west wind at 22 miles per hour, and your future track forecast showing the snow flurry, snow showers moving out. Breaks in the clouds return across the region tonight and for tomorrow, so at least we get a little sunshine, but still a cold day on the way. Tonight down to 8 degrees, flurries ending this evening, and then the winds dropping off to 5 to 15. Look for those skies to become partly cloudy later on. A partly sunny day tomorrow, slight chance of a flurry, mainly to the north, and a high of 22. 14 at 10 o'clock, 17 at noon, into the low 20s tomorrow afternoon and into the evening. And your Storm Team 2 7-day forecast, 25 on Friday with a chance of a little bit of light snow, especially in the afternoon. 16 the high on Saturday after a morning low of 8, a slight chance of flurries. Check out Sunday morning, down to 4 with a high of 23. And then a little bit of snow could move into the area on Monday, which will be a holiday for a lot of folks. President's Day coming up already.
Single-digit lows, burr, burr, burr.
Yeah, you'll need to have the parka handy for a couple of days here.
Yeah.
If you can find it. Yeah.
Brian, thanks.